Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start at the panel, flip the breaker controlling the switch, and label it so you don't accidentally turn it back on. Once done, use a non-contact tester on the switch screws and wires. Verify there is no voltage. Then remove the switch plate screws and lift the cover away, keeping the screws in a container so they don't get lost. Make sure to pull the switch slightly out to expose wire connections. Do not touch wires until testing shows 0 volts. Once the switch is exposed, take clear photos and notes so you can replicate the wiring exactly. You'll need to loosen the terminal screws or press the release tabs on back-wired clamps to free the conductors. Gently wiggle each insulated wire free. Keep the ground attached to the green screw separately and separate hot leads so they don't touch. If the new switch uses a different mounting or requires pigtails, prepare short insulated wires. Now, place the new switch in your hand and attach each wire to its matching terminal. Hot to common, travelers to traveler screws, and ground to green. Tighten screws until snug. Avoid over-torquing, which can damage conductors. Carefully tuck wires back into the box, fasten the switch, and replace the cover. Restore power at the panel and test each position. If the light doesn't work or flickers, turn power off and recheck terminal tightness and correct wiring. Use the tester before any further adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.